Number 1. Turn heads with this 1963 Ford Thunderbird, available for $7,000 in Santa Clarita, California. With just 45,632 miles, this beauty features a striking red exterior and interior that exudes timeless style. While it has been idle for some time, key components like the gas tank, spark plugs, and battery have already been replaced. To get it running smoothly, it needs a wiring harness, timing adjustments, and minor repairs. With a clean title and its iconic design, this Thunderbird offers an excellent opportunity for restoration and a chance to own a piece of classic automotive history. Number 2. Step back into luxury with this 1979 Cadillac DeVille, priced at $4,800 in Boise, Idaho. With a matching green interior and exterior and only 39,000 miles, this classic exudes vintage charm. Under the hood lies a powerful V8 420i engine, ensuring a smooth drive, though some exterior work is needed to restore its full glory. Complete with a clean title, this DeVille offers a fantastic opportunity for restoration or customization, showcasing the elegance and grandeur that defined Cadillac in the late 1970s. Number 3. Get ready to complete a dream project with this 1981 Chevrolet Caprice Classic, listed for $6,500 in Charlotte, North Carolina. This LS-swapped box Chevy is 98% complete, featuring a robust 5.3 engine paired with a 4L60 transmission. Though it starts with starter fluid, it only requires minor finishing touches to hit the road in style. Dressed in classic tan, this nearly completed project is perfect for enthusiasts eager to add the final touches to a timeless Chevy icon. Number 4. Experience classic elegance with this 1968 Cadillac DeVille D'Elegance, listed for $5,000 in Ashland, Kentucky. With 83,000 miles and a clean title, this two-owner sedan is an excellent project car for enthusiasts. While it requires attention to a suspected fuel tank pickup tube issue, its timeless design and luxurious appeal make it a worthy restoration candidate. The 1968 DeVille D'Elegance is celebrated for its refined style and smooth performance, making it a standout addition to any classic car collection. Number 5. Unleash vintage style with this 1979 Pontiac Grand Prix GT Coupe, available for $4,000 in Houston, Texas. Sporting a brown-on-brown color scheme and 100,000 miles, this classic exudes timeless charm. With no major damage and a clean title, it provides a solid foundation for enthusiasts looking to own or restore an affordable and stylish piece of automotive history. The 1979 Grand Prix is known for its sleek design and comfortable ride, making it a beloved choice among collectors. Number 6. Stand out with this 1978 Ford F150 Ranger Lariat XLT, listed for $7,500 in San Antonio, Texas. With only 57,000 miles, this two-owner pickup combines power and vintage charm, thanks to its 6.6-liter V8 engine and recently updated brakes, tires, fuel system components, and a vintage air AC system. The truck shows mostly surface rust, but no major damage, making it an excellent candidate for minor TLC. Its clean title and unique history, including an interior signed from its appearance in a film, add to its collectible appeal. The 1978 F-150 remains a celebrated classic for its durability and iconic design. Number 7. Revitalize your classic car collection with this 1979 Chevrolet Malibu, offered for $4,500 in Greenville, Texas. This white beauty runs and drives effortlessly, thanks to new plugs, wires, a fuel pump, and more. Inside, the white interior has been redone for a fresh look, while the sunroof and 15-inch weld wheels add to its stylish appeal. Although a bonded title is required, the seller can assist in obtaining it for an additional cost. With its modern updates and classic charm, this two-owner Malibu is a great option for enthusiasts looking for both style and reliability. Number 8. Catch the eye of classic car enthusiasts with this 1972 Datsun 510, available for $4,500 in Fort Gibson, Oklahoma. Finished in green, this rare find comes with a clean title and runs well after a fuel system cleaning. Powered by a 4-cylinder engine and a 5-speed manual transmission, it features wide wheels and a lowered stance, adding to its sporty charm. While it needs brake bleeding to be roadworthy, this cool little truck offers a great opportunity for restoration or a fun project. Open to trade offers, it's perfect for anyone looking to own a unique piece of automotive history. Number 9. Get started on a classic restoration with this 1971 Ford F100 Sport Custom, listed for $4,500 in Mansfield, Texas. This project truck features a clean title, a powerful 360 V8 engine, and a 3-on-the-tree manual transmission. While it starts and drives, it requires brake adjustments and floor pan replacement, included in the sale. With minimal rust in critical areas, this mostly rust-free truck offers a solid foundation for restoration. A perfect opportunity for enthusiasts looking to bring this classic Ford back to life with plenty of potential. Number 10. Unleash the potential of this 1979 Chevrolet Camaro, available for $7,500 in Port Orange, Florida. With an original leather interior showing minor wear, this classic muscle car is an ideal project for rebuild enthusiasts. Though the 454 engine is currently blown, the seller recommends swapping in a 350 engine to get it back on the road quickly. Parting with this dream car due to personal circumstances, the seller offers a fantastic opportunity for anyone looking to restore or customize this iconic American muscle car. Number 11. This 1982 Oldsmobile Cutlass Supreme S Coupe, listed for $7,000 in Greensboro, North Carolina, is a fantastic project car with great potential. Powered by a small block 350 engine with under 10K miles and a matching transmission, it runs strong and features a 700 CFM Holley carb, air shocks, and highway gears. While it needs minor work, including body repairs, paint, and a new windshield wiper motor, this car offers a solid foundation for restoration. For those looking to bring a stylish classic back to life, this Cutlass Supreme presents an excellent opportunity. Number 12. Take on a rewarding restoration project with this 1985 GMC Sierra Classic 1500 Crew Cab, listed for $7,500 in Little Rock, Arkansas. With 89,000 miles and a clean title, this black and blue pickup runs and drives, though it still requires work to reach its full potential. Ideal for restoration enthusiasts, it offers a solid base with plenty of room for customization and upgrades. This rugged, iconic pickup is an excellent opportunity to bring a true American classic back to life. Whether you're restoring it for daily use or as a showpiece, the possibilities are endless with this Sierra Classic. Number 13. Here's your chance to own a piece of automotive history with this 1962 Chevrolet Bel Air, offered for $6,500 in Pocahontas, Arkansas. With only 22,500 original miles and minimal rust, this four-door classic is in exceptional condition. Recently updated with a new fuel and brake system, radiator, and fresh fluids, it's ready to hit the road. Powered by a 235 inline-6 engine, paired with a 2-speed Powerglide transmission, it drives smoothly and stops reliably. This vintage sedan is an ideal option for fans of classic cars looking for a well-preserved example with solid performance and charm. Number 14. Here's a chance to own a powerful classic with this 1984 Chevrolet C30 long bed, listed for $7,500 in Paragould, Arkansas. This factory 1-ton truck is equipped with a 454 engine and a turbo 400 transmission, offering plenty of power for both work and play. The truck features working AC and heat, ensuring comfort on the road. With just 84,485 miles, it holds steady on the highway and is ready for its next adventure. This heavy-duty C30 combines classic style with reliable performance, making it an excellent choice for collectors and enthusiasts alike. Number 15. Unlock the potential of a classic with this 1978 Buick Century Custom Wagon, available for $4,000 in Winchester, Kentucky. Powered by a small block 350 with a mild cam and paired with a TH350 transmission, this wagon offers a solid foundation for a restoration project. It comes with new 15-inch wheels, tires, and a battery, along with added gauges for oil pressure and tachometer. While it starts and runs, it's not currently drivable, making it a perfect project for wagon enthusiasts looking to bring this unique classic back to life. With some work, this Buick Century has immense potential for the right owner. Number 16. Take a step back in time with this 1962 GMC 1000, priced at $6,500 in Pensacola, Florida. Featuring a 305 big block V6 and a 3-speed automatic transmission, this classic truck has 71,000 miles and is ready for restoration. Recently upgraded with a new Edelbrock carburetor, battery, distributor, plugs, wires, fuel pump, water pump, and tires, it runs and drives smoothly. Retaining its original drum brakes and manual steering, this GMC offers a nostalgic driving experience. Lowered and full of potential, it's the perfect project for vintage truck enthusiasts looking to restore a true classic. Number 17. Get ready for a classic project with this 1971 Chevrolet C10, listed for $6,000 in Tulsa, Oklahoma. Powered by a 305 engine and turbo transmission, this truck runs and drives smoothly. It features running lights underneath and comes with a clean title, making it an excellent candidate for customization or restoration. While it will soon need a new battery and transmission lines, it's a solid foundation for anyone looking to build or restore a timeless Chevrolet. With plenty of potential, this C10 is ready for its next chapter in the hands of an enthusiast. Number 18. Cruise in style with this 1978 Cadillac DeVille Coupe, available for $6,000 in Lawrenceville, Georgia. Featuring a 425 engine, it's ready for daily driving with recent updates, including a new timing chain, water pump, plugs, wires, and more. While the power seats and windows function properly, the AC needs repair, and the seats and headliner will need some attention. Although no title is available, a bill of sale is provided. This classic Cadillac offers a great opportunity for someone looking to restore or enjoy a vintage luxury ride with plenty of potential. Number 19. Take on a classic with this 1980 Ford F150 XL pickup, listed for $2,000 in Blaine, Kentucky. Equipped with a 300 straight-six engine and automatic transmission, this truck runs and drives well, thanks to recent updates, including new tires and a tune-up. While the body shows minor rust, typical for its age, it remains solid overall, offering a great base for further restoration or customization. This budget-friendly Ford F-150 is a fantastic option for truck enthusiasts looking for an affordable and dependable classic to enjoy or work on. Number 20. Grab a deal with this 1978 Ford Mustang II, priced at just $850 in Ripley, Mississippi. Powered by a 4-cylinder engine and automatic transmission, this classic coupe is rust-free and comes with a clean title. While it's currently not running, it presents a great opportunity for someone willing to invest time and effort into restoring it. With its solid foundation and iconic Mustang styling, this project car is a bargain for enthusiasts looking to bring this classic back to life.